solar cook stove has come a long way. The earliest insulated box stove was modified to a gas stove design which was easier to use. Based on further valuable user feedback, we now bring you the improved 6 solar cook stove. The new and improved design boasts of 2 stoves of 1000 watt each, which are encased in a plastic body designed for safety, ease of use and durability. The induction heating technique smartly uses the vessel itself as the source of heat. The heat loss from the vessel is further minimized by using the insulation around it. This reduces the power required to cook. The parallel resonance induction circuit uses Litz wire for higher efficiency and zero voltage switching to keep minimum losses. Using 6 solar cook stove, you can now cook, bake, fry or steam, day or night, thanks to its 24/7 battery-powered system. For enhancing user-friendliness, the power control knobs are similar to conventional stoves but are electronically controlled. The battery level indicator, ventilation, and easy power control are all designed to enhance the user experience. For receiving maximum sunlight and maximum usage, the 1000 watt solar panels can now be easily tilted. Not just that, the available 48 volt DC system can be connected with low power appliances like fan, television, lights, etc. Overall, the 6 solar cook stove is a power-packed winner for complete home cooking solutions.